How to copy LinkedIn profile link. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can copy the profile link on LinkedIn. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Now, first thing, in order to copy your profile link, your own profile link, you can tap and open up the LinkedIn. Then you want to head over to your profile. Once you head over to your profile, you can tap on the profile icon at the top left corner and then tap on view profile. Once here, you can tap on the three dots that you'll find beside the add section option here at the right hand side, and then you want to tap on share profile via option. Once you do so, you can tap on copy option icon that you'll see beside the link, and your link will be copied. And now you can go ahead and you can share it to others like this. As you can see, I've done it here. This is the way. Similarly, if you want to copy someone else's link, you can head over simply to their profile. And once you head over to the profile, tap on the three dots again, and then tap on share profile via again, and this time again copy the link, and then you are good to share it to others as well. So this way you can copy LinkedIn profile link. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.